Now today we are going to discuss the question answers of chapter 2. Okay, first we are going to discuss the in-text question which is given on page number 33 of old book, new book you see. Okay, these questions are given after the topic gypsum. Okay, now question number 1. What is the common name of the compound CaOCl2? What is the common name? The common name of CaOCl2 is bleaching powder. Okay, now tell me the chemical name also. That is calcium oxychloride. Here. Now question number 2. Name the substance which on treatment with chlorine yields bleaching powder. We have to tell the substance which on treatment with chlorine gives bleaching powder. So here that will be your calcium hydroxide or lime water. Okay, so this is your answer, and write down the reaction also in that. Third one, name the sodium compound which is used for softening hard water, that is washing soda. Question number 4, what will happen if a solution of sodium hydrogen carbonate is heated? Give the equation. Question number 4. Okay, what they are asking, see, whenever we what happens is written means you have to write the chemical reaction. It is given in the question. Whenever it is not given and they are asking what happens when, means you have to write the reaction. Okay, so what happens when the solution of sodium hydrogen carbonate is heated? This is your sodium hydrogen carbonate. Heated means you have to make the sign of heat. Then it is going to convert into Na2CO3. Okay, plus H2O variable. Clear? And balance your equation. Now the next is write the equation to show the reaction between plaster of Paris and water. That is question number 5. Reaction between POP, plaster of Paris. क्या था plaster of Paris? CaSO4 dot half H2O with water means you have to take 1.5 H2O. Then it is going to get CaSO4 dot 2 H2O. And this is your POP and this is your gypsum. So whenever we POP react with water, it forms gypsum, and when gypsum is heated to 370 Kelvin, we will get the POP. Now come to the end exercise. End exercise, the question number 1. A solution turns red litmus blue. Red को blue कर रहा है means it is basic in nature. Then its pH is likely to be 1, 4, 5, 10. So your answer will be 10. A solution react with crushed eggshell. Crushed eggshell means it is your calcium carbonate. Okay. To give a gas which turns lime water milky. You all know whenever we lime water turns milky means your gas is carbon dioxide. The solution contains, मतलब क्या क्या दे दिया है तुमको? You are having 2 things here, है ना? First one, I am explaining you the end exercise, है ना? See what is given. A solution react with crushed egg. What I told you, crushed egg contains CaCO3, है ना? Then gives a gas. कौन सी gas दे रहा है? Plus that we have to find out, and the gas is CO2. ठीक है, which turns lime water milky means your gas is CO2. You know whenever we carbonate react with acid, it always gives CO2. Okay, so what they are asking, contains eggshell and turns lime water milky. The solution contains NaCl, HCl, LiCl and KCl. So your answer is HCl. One acid is given over there. Right? Another question number 3. 10 ml of solution of NaOH is found to be completely neutralized by 8 ml of given solution of HCl. कितना दिया है? 10 ml NaOH neutralized by 8 ml HCl. ठीक है? If we take 20 ml of NaOH, another what is given 20 ml NaOH, then how much acid is needed? इसका डबल कितना हो जाएगा? 16 ml HCl. So your answer will be 16 ml. ठीक है? Now next, which one of the following type of medicine is used for the treatment of indigestion? That is your antacid. Okay, Now next question number 5. Write word equation and balance the equation for the reaction taking place when. That you have to do by yourself. Okay. First learn all the formula and then write down. Now question number 6. Compounds such as alcohol and glucose also contain hydrogen but are not categorized as acid. Describe an activity to prove this. Okay, that I already explained you. I will tell you which activity it is. है in which the bulb glows. बल्ब ग्लो होता है ना, वो वाली है. दैट इज एक्टिविटी नंबर 2.3. ठीक है. एसिड सॉल्यूशन इन वाटर कंडक्ट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. That old book, page number 22. So your answer, the activity you have to write from page number 22. Activity number, diagram is given. This one है ना, this diagram. Figure 2.3 and activity number 2.8. ठीक है. The next is why does distilled water not conduct electricity whereas rain water does? Because rain water contains free ion in it. क्या मिलते हैं रेन वाटर में? free ions है ना. और कंडक्टिविटी के लिए क्या जरूरी है? ions are responsible for electricity. Okay. Now next question number 8. Why do acid not show acidic behavior in the absence of water? I am repeating the question है ना. कौन सा है? question number 8. Why do acids not show acidic behavior in the absence of water? Definition क्या है acid की? Acid are the substances which gives H plus ion in acidic medium in water only. Okay. So in the absence of water, acid cannot donate H plus ion. Clear? Now question number 9. See. What is given? U5 solution. कौन कौन से दे दिए? A, B, C, D, E. When tested with universal indicator show the pH. इनकी pH लिख दी है ना. ये हो गए तुम्हारे solutions. Then pH is given. A की pH कितनी दी है? 4, 1, 11, 7 and 9. This pH is given. Now they are asking which solution is neutral. 7 वाला neutral होगा. मतलब तुम्हारा neutral कौन हो गया? Your answer will be D. है ना. ABCD में पूछा है. Then you have to write the answer in ABCD only. Okay. Second, strongly alkaline. Strongly alkaline means which have maximum pH. कौन सी? 11. So that is your strongly alkaline. Then third, strongly acidic, जिसका सबसे कम pH है. कौन होगा? 1. Strongly acidic. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट वीकली एसिडिक. वीकली एसिडिक मतलब 6 के पास में कोई pH वाला हो. कौन है? 4. ये हो गया तुम्हारा वीकली एसिडिक. देन लास्ट वीकली अल्कलाइन. कौन बचा? 9. E है ना. ठीक है. नाउ नेक्स्ट, अरेंज द pH in increasing order of hydrogen ion concentration. मालूम है H प्लस आयन किस में ज्यादा होगा? जिसका pH कम होगा. अपने को किस में अरेंज करना है? वी हैव टू अरेंज इन इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर ऑफ हाइड्रोजन आयन कॉन्सेंट्रेशन. मतलब जिसमें सबसे कम H प्लस आयन है उससे सबसे ज्यादा H प्लस आयन की तरफ जाना है. सबसे कम किस में होगा? 11 में. pH को अरेंज करना है तो क्या आ जाएगा? सबसे पहले 11, then less than 9, then less than 7, then less than 4 and then less than 1. और अगर सॉल्यूशन पूछेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा? C, फिर 9 वाला कौन है? E, then D, then A and then B. Okay. Whenever increasing order will ask, you have to put this sign है ना, less than वाला. ठीक है. Now question number 10. Equal length of magnesium ribbon are taken in the test tube A and B. Okay, 2 test tubes are given to you. Test tube A and test tube B. Both are having equal length. ठीक है. ये test tube A ले ली, यहाँ पे test tube B ले ली. Now what they are asking? एक में क्या रखा है अपन ने? मैग्नीशियम रिबन. दोनों में रद्दी लग गई, ठीक है। नाउ हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड इसमें डाल दिया अपन ने HCl and in this we are going to add acetic acid. Okay, now what they are asking, in which test tube will the fizzing occur more vigorously and why? तो vigorously किसमें होगी? in test tube A because HCl is strong acid. आ गई बात समझ में? The answer will be test tube A because your HCl is a strong acid. ठीक. Now question number 11. Fresh milk has pH 6. क्या दिया है उन्होंने? Fresh milk is given and the pH is given 6. कितनी दी है? 6 है। क्या है? 6 है ना? Now how do you think the pH will change if it turns into curd? Curd में आया मतलब लैक्टिक एसिड इज प्रोड्यूस, व्हेनेवर एसिड इज प्रोड्यूस द पीएच क्या होगी? शिफ्ट हो जाएगी, कहाँ पे? लेस हो जाएगी. सो व्हाट विल बी देयर? व्हाट दे आर आस्किंग, फ्रेश मिल्क हैज पीएच, हाउ डू यू थिंक द पीएच विल चेंज? तो व्हाट विल बी देयर? पीएच डिक्रीजेस, है ना? एंड व्हाई? बिकॉज लैक्टिक एसिड इज फॉर्म ड्यूरिंग द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ कर्ड. क्लियर? नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. A milkman adds a very small amount of baking soda to the fresh milk. ये है तुम्हारा fresh milk, उसमें उसने क्या ऐड कर दिया? बेकिंग सोडा. यू नो इट इज अ वीक बेस, है ना? स्लाइटली बेसिक होता है नेचर में. ठीक, मिल्क ऐड कर दिया. नाउ वो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, वाई डज ही शिफ्ट द पीएच ऑफ द फ्रेश मिल्क फ्रॉम 6 टू स्लाइटली अल्कलाइन? मतलब 6 से क्या कर दिया? थोड़ा सा पीएच इंक्रीज कर दिया. क्यों इंक्रीज करा? बिकॉज द मिल्क विल रिमेन एज सच फॉर लॉन्गर टाइम, है ना? खराब नहीं होगा जल्दी. दूसरा, वाई डज दिस मिल्क टेक्स अ लॉन्ग टाइम टू सेट एज अ कर्ड? बिकॉज इन केस ऑफ फॉर्मेशन ऑफ कर्ड व्हाट विल हैपन? द पीएच डिक्रीजेस फ्रॉम 6. अब मान लो इसकी पीएच कितनी हो गई है? 8 हो गई है. अब 8 से 4 पे आने में क्या लगेगा? ज्यादा टाइम लगेगा. और यहाँ पे फ्रेश मिल्क लिया तो 6 से 4 में आने में क्या होगा? कम टाइम लगेगा. सो योर मिल्क इज स्लाइटली अल्कलाइन and the pH will increases to make it acidic. It takes more time. ठीक है. Now question number 13. Plaster of Paris should be stored in moisture-proof container. Explain why. What is your answer? Because it absorbs moisture and form gypsum. है ना? And then reaction which I have written that you have to write. CaSO4 dot half H2O value. Then what is neutralization reaction? Give 2 examples. Neutralization reaction means when acid react with base to form salt and water, है ना? acid react with base to form salt and water, the reaction is called neutralization. 2 एग्जाम्पल देना है. मैंने क्या बताया था? पहले बेस लिखना, then you have to write acid, then remove this H2O, क्या बचा? NaCl plus H2. ठीक है. एक एग्जाम्पल और बोला है, एक और ले लो. NaOH plus H2SO4 या KOH ले लो. चलो चेंज हो गई. क्या दे देगा? ये 2SO4 plus H2. Now this is 2, so you have to balance. Clear? Now the last question. Give 2 important uses of washing soda and baking soda. Washing soda का use to remove the permanent hardness of water in glass industry, soap industry. Baking soda as an antacid, है ना? दूसरा इन कुकिंग आइटम्स, बेकरी, है ना? टू मेक पकोड़ा स्पंजी. क्लियर? ओके, सो नाउ द क्वेश्चन आंसर्स आर ओवर. नेक्स्ट टाइम वी विल गो फॉर चैप्टर 3. थैंक यू.